I already unboxed it, I'm so sorry. Apparently they sell out so quick. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing another unboxing, and literally I am so excited for this just because I'm a first time owner of the COS bags. I bought actually 3 bags. So I bought the mini quilted bag in orange and the black, and also in the extra large one as well. But today we are gonna kind of do a mini quilted bag review. There will definitely be a review on what you can fit inside as well as styling at the very end. So further ado, let's get straight into the review bags. Let's go. It's the noise from me, the interruption. Now that we are all seated down, let's go through both of these bags. So these are both the same size and they're basically the same amount that I bought for, which is like around $60, I think, without tax and shipping. So let's open up the black one just because I feel like this one is kind of more, I feel like the black one's more popular. The orange one, however, I think they just launched like honestly a month ago just because of its like spring summer color. I just love it so much because it's like so poppy and popsicle-y, very neon. Definitely a fashion statement for sure. But for this one, let's just talk about the size. This is honestly really cute itself. The material is super thick. It kind of reminds me of like North Face a little bit in a way, but very lightweight, so I can honestly just swing it around. It is so comfortable. Like when I put my phone, water bottle, like all my chapsticks, lipstick or whatever, doesn't hurt my back, doesn't hurt my arm. Unzip it like this very easily. And then what's inside though is very simple. It has the COS bag logo in here, another zipper in here as well. So if you want to put like any of your belongings that you don't want to like fall out just in case, like sometimes I honestly put my rings and my sunglasses in here just in case it doesn't also scratch up with the other stuff like my keys inside. And what I noticed is that, yeah, you definitely have to use like 2 hands to kind of like unzip and zip, but other than that there's nothing else in here. There's only one zipper and then the whole thing is just the pocket itself. What do we fit? I usually put my Louis Vuitton key holder in here, kind of just throw it in. I always need lotion because I am a super dry skin girly, and summertime you don't want those dry ashes, honestly. I honestly take this everywhere I go, when I study, when I go to the gym, when I work, etc., and when I edit too. And obviously whenever I don't have my phone in my hand, I kind of just like put that in here. Let's do a test. If you wanted to carry a water bottle, let's say you were going to the picnic or something, or a casual day out, farmer's market even, you're buying some knick-knack things, of course this can easily fit in here. Now obviously it does get a little bit heavy, as you can tell. It holds its puffiness form, this rounded form, which I really like, so it doesn't just sag, if that makes sense. Let me put it on for you. You guys can tell that it's just so simple. I love how thick this fabric is and like the width of it, just because if it was skinnier it would definitely hurt kind of like my collarbone and just a little bit of my shoulder, but I think that it is the perfect thickness to it. Now with this, oh my gosh, I'm definitely gonna take this to Hawaii with me when I'm going for this summer. And it has the same pocket, same one zipper in here, and that's basically it. It's just super lightweight, I'm telling you. I personally haven't worn this yet just because I've been kind of waiting for the perfect opportunity to kind of take pictures in. I actually recently got these 2 bags from New York City. Apparently they sell out so quick, and when you do get them for resale, it is usually about 2 times or a little bit more the amount that you would actually buy like online on the website. So far, I've been wearing the black one a lot and the extra large one. And then I got this one on the website because I was like, you know what? This could be the perfect one for like a picnic or like a gym bag, beach. And look how cute this is. It even looks cute when you're kind of putting your clip on here and stuff. Let me know if you guys want an extensive review on the extra large bag and like what I'd wear with it, because definitely since it hugs my entire body, yeah, there's just some things to wear that's like different than what I would wear with the mini quilted bags. Let's get straight to the outfits for these guys because I am so stoked on showing you guys some inspo. Let's get it. One of the outfits I am obsessed with is my mini jean skirt, just because, guys, I wore this literally in downtown Seattle when I was out with my friend for a private movie screening. Like, this outfit was giving 1000%. Not gonna lie, my feet did hurt though because I was wearing boots, but this whole combo itself is just so simplistic. So in terms of the orange one, I really wanted the orange to pop out in color, but because orange, especially neon, can't be easily paired up with other than just like maybe denim and all black, I wanted to try more of like an all white style. This is honestly a preview sneak peek of what I will actually wear when I am going to Hawaii on vacation with my family in June. Honestly, you cannot go wrong with white on white anyways. I really like this blazer minimalistic look just because you don't necessarily look like a total schoolgirl, especially when I'm literally 24 years old, not overboard with looking like you're going to a meeting, but then you also didn't roll out of bed either, so it's a great in-between. Okay, so that is literally it for the COS bags. I am so in love with every single bag that I got from here. Like, this is insane. Let me know if you guys like this video. Again, if you guys want an extensive review of the extra large bag, leave it down below. I'll probably do another outfit review on that depending on the demand. And that's basically it. I mean, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn that post notification. That way, you know, I'm always posting throughout the entire week. And we'll definitely see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye!
But she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door.